Hey guys, today we're going to make the music stool in paper modeling. You're going to need an oblong rectangle, 4.5 inches this way by 1 3/4 inches this way. You want to section this into 3 equal parts, which means 1.5 inches each. I'm just going to make a mark. And then fold. All right, there's 3 equal parts, and now we're going to measure inside 1/2 inch. So you're going to cut here down to that 1/2 inch line, cut here down to the 1/2 inch line, all right, now we're going to cut half of this 1/2 inch line off. Like that. Then you're going to fold these down. And fold these on the 1/2 inch line. And then you fold that up, and you can glue or tape it down here. It also has some slats in it here. We're just going to make a basic version. And you can glue or tape. Here. What I have found is that the legs really need to be folded evenly or it's not going to stand upright. There, that's perfect. And I think American glue sucks. I don't really know if other country glue sucks, but American glue sucks. So I like to clean it up with some tape if it won't stay together. And there is the music stool, or a piano bench.